post-game press conference. We have our best player, Gio Malalo, and our winning coach, Coach Chito Victorero. Coach Chito, mauna na ako sa'yo. 51 all at halftime, and then getting a 15-point victory. Ano yung conversation sa halftime huddle that inspired yung second half performance ng mga players?
Coaching staff explained to them yung ginagawa sa amin ng Phoenix. Medyo yung tempo, yung first half na sa kanila eh. We're all excited and we're out of control on the first half. But once settle down kami on the second half, we explained to them that we need to execute on both ends of the floor, settle down, and then yun, nagsimula yung magandang depensa at yung tempo napunta sa amin.
Coach, 107 points at the end of the game, but you only had 16 team assists. Medyo mababa.
Yeah, siguro we have a lot of one-on-one plays that create mismatches. So, hindi kami masyadong nakaikot ng bola. But, again, a winner is a win. So, kahit 2 assists pa yan, basta panalo, okay lang. But again, we will learn from this. Hindi pwede. If we face a solid team or an elite team, so we need to increase our assists. Maybe the target's around 25 to 30 assists per game, but that's our system, ball movement. But again, mayroong magandang game plan yung Phoenix eh. So at least na nakita namin nung second half kung yung counter na gagawin namin.
Gio, first game si Mark Baroka yung maganda yung nilaro. This game, ikaw naman. Kwento mo naman sa amin how you challenge each other practice pa lang and how you bring out the best out of each other.
Yeah, first of all, thank you kay God na binigay itong panalo. Yun nga, sa practice pa lang kami dalawa ni Kuya Mark, kahit nagtatawanan kami, challenge kami sa isa't isa. Grabe yung namin dalawa, kahit sabi nga ni Coach, kahit magbubugan kami dalawa. Yun ang gusto ni Coach yung matuto kami dalawa pagdating sa game. Yun yung mapakita namin sa team. So, yun. Maganda yung na-execute namin dalawa ni Kuya Mark today.
Starting the season, 2-0 agad kayo. What can you say about the chemistry? Isa kayo or kayo lang ata yung team na walang rookie. How has it been helping this 2 games?
Yeah, well, ito namang maganda dito eh, yung chemistry namin, sana magtuloy-tuloy, one game at a time lang ang gagawin namin kasi nga malayo pa yung yung liga, so 2-0. Hindi lang kami magre-relax. Yun lang naman yung pag-usapan namin nila coach, mga player na dapat grind hanggang dulo, hanggang sa matapos yung buzzer.
We now open the floor to questions from the media. Anyone?
Coach, Tyler, they have another double-double, but this time, Coach, nag-click yung outside shooting na. How important will Tyler's outside shooting this conference?
Tyler is all-around player. He can run the floor, he can shoot outside, he can slash. And ang isa pang niya is he can play defense. He can anticipate the passes like this. Okay, so madami siyang nagagawa. And the energy that he gives to us. So he's an all-around player, and we expect both ends, offense and defense, he contributes. Yung rebounds, steals, and then the points, assists, so all around there.
Coach, parang 8-game winning streak sila sa Phoenix, Coach. 8-game winning streak nila sa Phoenix, Coach. Ano meron?
Talaga? Hindi ko alam. Ngayon ko lang nalaman yun. So, I think every game lang naman, we try to prepare hard and hopefully ma-execute namin yung game pa namin, tapos manalo. That's the goal. And actually, ngayon ko lang din nalaman yun. Pero wala namang kakaiba. Basta we treat every team as pare-parehas lang in preparation. So right now, we did a good job on the second half. And actually first half okay naman, naka-adjust kagad kami, but defensively, second half much better. So, yun yung pinag-usapan namin eh. Our best offense is our defense.
Coach, may 5-day break kayo. Tapos Northport Friday, Ginebra Sunday.
Yeah.
How are you taking
Back to back, so medyo mahirap. But of course, ang maganda lang doon is back to back din yung ibang team. So, right now, we will prepare for Northport muna. And then, after that, saka lang namin isipin yung klasiko. But for now, we're looking forward for Northport. They're playing well. They have a good import. They're very inspired. So, we're trying to try to watch the film kung paano magiging yung game plan namin.
Alright,
Thank
and
you.
our
Thank you.
post press conference, I think the gentleman.